Hi everyone, welcome back. So wait is over now because POCO F1, the next generation POCO F2 officially announced next month, but not the F2, it's POCO X2. So company officially announced that the POCO X2 will be launched on October 4 at the event in Delhi. Along the teaser, they introduced the next generation POCO phone. So based on leaks and rumor, the POCO X2 will be based on Redmi K30. But in some images, the POCO K30 come with 4 camera setup on the back, but POCO X2 come with 3 camera on the back. So here is some main highlight of PocoPhone X2. It come with a 120Hz panel and come with a IMAX 686 camera sensor. Yeah, the 64 camera sensor, that same primary model on Redmi K30. So in the recent Geekbench listing, some key specifications of POCO X2 were revealed, including Android 10 out of box and Snapdragon 730G SoC. The POCO X2 also comes with 6GB RAM and 4GB RAM, including a 8GB variant also. The POCO X2 run on MIUI 11. It packs 64GB inbuilt storage that can be expanded via microSD card up to 256GB. And yeah, the POCO X2 also comes with dual SIM card. But yeah, in the meantime, the POCO X2 come as same as Redmi K30 4G smartphone that come with a rebrand version of POCO X2. But who knows, the POCO X2 come to market with a different tag. Yeah. So POCO X2 come with a dual punch hole camera on the front and a triple camera on the back, a 120Hz display, 64 megapixel IMAX 686 camera setup. Coming to the price could be around 16 to 18,000 Indian rupees. So let me know your thought in the comment section. Would you like to buy this smartphone? Want to buy another smartphone? Let me know in the comment section. I will see you next video. Till then, goodbye.